Hey beauties, Bianca Charisma here. Today I'm going to show you how to get this natural, super pretty, quick weave U-part wig. So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to start with your hair braided. So as you can see, my hair is braided. I have a perimeter braid, which it goes all the way towards the back of my hair, and then the rest of my hair is just braided to the back and pinned up, and then the two little braids on the side are my leave out braids. So I'm using two wig caps, and the reason why I'm using two wig caps is to make sure that I don't get any glue on my actual hair. So a quick weave pretty much uses glue, and I am all about protective styling, so I want to make sure my hair is protected from the glue, but I'm still getting the hairstyle that I want. So make sure to use the two wig caps and place them directly over your braids. And then I'm going to be using this, it's like a deluxe weaving cap. This is perfect for wigs, so I'm using this on top also to protect my hair from the glue, but also to have a U-part wig. So I want to be able to, once I do my hair in this style, I still want to be able to reuse this hairstyle and have it be a wig. So even if I take this hairstyle down, I will still have it glued onto a wig cap, which will make it a easy U-part wig for me to wear whenever I want. So right now I am sewing my perimeter braid to the actually 3 wig caps. So those 2 caps that you just saw me put on, plus the weaving cap that I put on top, I am pretty much sewing all of that together to those perimeter braids that I showed you in the beginning. So if you guys pay very close attention, you see that there's a little flap towards the front of my wig cap. Now I did not cut that flap off, but I would suggest that you do. If you just notice, the flap got sewed up, and I didn't mean to sew it up. So you know, make sure to sew your perimeter braids, and then the flap in the front, it's right before the adjustable band. Make sure to just cut that off. You can cut that off after you sew the wig cap onto your perimeter braid. Just make sure to cut it off because it can get in the way when it's time for you to actually style your hair, your leave out hair, with the actual the actual hairstyle, so the wig. So yeah, just make sure you cut those flaps off. I do apologize for not showing me cut it off. I don't know how I sewed the flap up and I forgot to cut it off, so I do apologize about that. Now you don't have to cut it off, but I highly suggest that you do. So I just wanted to show me pretty much sewing that cap onto my head. Now I'm using a white pencil. This is a white lip pencil, eye pencil. I got it from the beauty supply. I'm pretty much just tracing around my leave out braid. I really want to make sure that I see it. That's why I chose this white color, so that I can see what I'm doing, because I'm going to be using this hair, and I'm going to be using this glue, and I'm going to be pretty much taking the weave and then placing it on my head around that white U. So the first thing that I'm doing is I already pre-cut my wefts. So I had a bundle of hair. This hair is from Maven. I do have a Maven store, so if you happen to notice that you really like this texture of hair and how I styled my hair, feel free to shop my Maven store. I will put it in the link below, and I will also just put it right here on the video so you can see where to get this hair from. And I will put more information on it as well. But yes, so I already pre-cut that piece of hair that you just saw me glue onto my head. I pre-cut it, I measured it before I glued it onto the back of my head. So make sure to measure it before you cut your weft and before you glue it onto your hair. So I'm gonna show you once again. So I am taking a pre-cut piece of hair or a pre-cut weft, gluing it, and then I am going to be placing it from one side of the cap to the other, and I'm basically just adding tracks on top of each other. So don't put it directly on top, but as you can see, this is how I measure. You will want to put it a little bit above that track, so yep, right above, and you just want to place it once it's glued on the track and then press it down. You can also use a blow dryer just to make sure that it dries faster. I didn't have my blow dryer on hand, or else I would have. So as you can see, I used a smaller cut piece just because I like to really make sure that I'm measuring it to fit exactly around that white U shape. So you can cut your weft smaller if you would like to. It's really up to you. But I did what I needed to. I cut around and I placed around, and then now I'm just cutting the excess that was inside of that U. I cut that off. And I unbraided my hair at the top, my leave out hair, and I'm blending my hair with the actual quick weave that we just created. Quick weave / U-part wig. So now what I'm doing is I am paying very close to my hair, and wherever my hair stopped, I basically just cut layers in the front. So I only cut the weave, and if you guys can see, like, this hair, I love it. It is so natural looking. It looks like I just blow dried my hair. I like this hairstyle because it's perfect for the summer when your hair is kind of sweat out a little bit. It looks very natural. So this looks like my actual hair, just, you know, wine curl. So I decided to wine curl it, give it a nice like a effortless wavy look, but still it looks like my natural hair, so it's very easy to blend with my natural hair. So this is pretty much the finished look. One side is combed out, the other side is not. So I'm going to go ahead and comb out this other side of my hair just to get that effortless wavy natural look. This look, people really didn't even know it was a quick weave. They didn't know it was a U-part. They just thought my hair was out, looking healthy, looking natural. So yeah, this is a great hairstyle for you to try if you like to do your own hair. It's really, really nice. I liked it a lot. And also make sure when you do put heat on your leave out, use a heat protectant spray. And I'm just using some edge control, make sure my edges are nice and smooth, and that pretty much finishes the look. I absolutely love this look. It is just so pretty to me, so natural, and I love it. So I hope you guys love it too. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one.